Hello friends, myself Ravi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn what is table and how we can implement table in HTML tag. So without getting late, let's dive into tutorial. So basically, table is used to show the relational data. What is relational data? Relational data means if two data has a relation, so it is called a relational data. So suppose there is an organization and an employee is related to it, right? So there is a relation between employee and organization. So we can make a table between both two. Okay. So now let's see how we can implement the table into this HTML. So in order to implement the table, HTML provides you a tag that is table tag. Okay. So write opening and closing table tag. Now table has rows. Okay. So if you see like this is how table looks like, right? And table has uh, rows. Okay. So this horizontal thing is called row and this is called columns. Okay. Now let's implement it. So this is table tag and inside table tag we have number of rows, right? So for the rows HTML provides tr tag. Okay. So tr means table row. Okay. Now in the tr tag we can have in order to show the data into the row, we have something called TD. TD means table data. So inside TD, we can write some data. Okay. So suppose Apple. Okay. And if I refresh it here, you can see this Apple comes here, right? But you cannot see the tabular form because I have only inserted one data. Now we can add multiple values to this row. Okay. So let's say I add this another td tag and let's name it as banana. Okay, and again let's again paste it and name it as mango. Okay, and now if I refresh it, you can see there are three values, right? Apple, banana and mango, and now it is one row. So this is one row data. Okay, now HTML also provides you the header for the table. Okay, and in order to insert the header, it provides a tag which is called th. Th means table header. So you can use one tr tag, okay, for the row, and inside it you can add th table header tag, and you can write like fruit. Okay, fruit, and you can also define one more header. Let's say animal. Okay, and again you can define th, and inside it you can define birds. Okay, and if I refresh it, you can see the header is bold, and you can see this is the first row of this table. Okay, and the value is these things. So we can change the value, like for the fruits we have apple, and animal let's add lion, bird let's add sparrow. Now if I refresh it, you can see, right, we have apple, lion, and sparrow. Similarly, we can add more columns to. Similarly, we can add more rows to it. Okay, so let me add it. Okay, and if I refresh it, now you can see, right, we have more 3 rows here. Okay, so these are the basic table tags that you need to remember. Okay, while implementing the tables. Now, table has two sections. You see here, this one is called table header, and whatever the content in the table is called table body. Okay, so you can also segregate here contents as t head. Okay, it means, and you can put your header inside this th, and also for the body we have t body tag, and inside this t body tag you can put all the table rows which has some value. Okay, so let's put it also here. So it won't change anything. If you see here, right, nothing changed, but it will provide a good readability to the code. Okay, so this is how you can implement the basic table into the HTML. That's it for the tables. If you have any doubt regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.